Hi, I'm Dr. Osman. Designing a temporary crown with Blender software can offer several benefits including accuracy, speed, customization, cost-effectiveness, and patient satisfaction. Blender software allows for precise and accurate 3D modeling of the temporary crown, ensuring a perfect fit. Designing a temporary crown with Blender software can be much faster than traditional methods such as manual sculpting or using a physical mold. This can save valuable time for both the dentist and the patient. Blender software enables dentists to create temporary crowns that perfectly match the patient's teeth and bite. We can use a teeth library to do a fast design. This can improve the aesthetic appearance and function compared to conventional methods. Using Blender software to design temporary crowns can be cost-effective in the long run as it reduces the time needed to work with the patient. With accurate and customized temporary crowns, patients are likely to be more satisfied with their dental experience and more likely to recommend the dentist to others. I hope you liked the video. If you want to learn more, please make sure to subscribe. Bye.